We face the problem of doing manual tedious work like checking our Google calendars and scheduling a call based on our availability, and also creating an expense summary of previous month, which I do regularly on Notion. We can still use tools like Claude and ChatGPT where we provide information like expense data and we create manually edits on the respective application. But it still involves manually going back and forth from one application to another. But what if I tell you you can automate this via MCP? Yes, you heard it right. So in this video, we will see that using Claude, we will automate this manual tedious workflow where we will connect this Claude to our applications and it will do the automation on our behalf. And watch this video till the end because this is where we will see the real application of MCP which we learned in previous video. So let's dive straight into it. So now we will connect Claude to the Notion application and we will ask it to create an expense summary of a particular month. So for that, we need to go to the customize tab which is on the left sidebar, and on it you can see the connectors which is on the bottom left. So on clicking the connectors, you need to go to the add button over here and go to the browse connectors and search for Notion or any application you want to connect. As I have already connected the Notion, we will straightforward go to making this request of creating an expense summary of January 2025 along with item wise breakdown which is in Notion, and here is the URL. So you go to the Notion application and you can see this is the expense I have created for the particular month and year, and you can see there is no such data below the table. So you click on the share and click on the copy link and provide it on the chat. Now we will click on submit. So now you will see the Claude will call some tools to fetch the Notion files that I have created and it will perform operations on top of it. So you can see it has fetched the URL and it is calling this command for Notion. You can see the reasoning behind it, which is loading the XLSX skill and all. So as I have not explicitly told to make edits in the same file, so in the next upcoming turn, we will tell the same. And you can see it has created an expense summary in an Excel file. You can see the contents like the protein powder and all, which is already mentioned or let's say present in this file. And you can see it has created a category wise breakdown of based on the entertainment, events, gifts and all. So this is how it has actually analyzed the data and created an Excel file, but we want it to edit on the same Notion page. So now we'll tell Claude to edit on the same Notion page below the table with summarized content. And now as I have submitted the request, it is now working on fetching the files, and now Claude wants to use the update Notion page tool. So I will click on allow once, and now it will update the same Notion page and it will ask some series of permissions for the same, which is like insert content command and all. And it is claiming that it has successfully added the expense summary to your Notion page below the table. But now let's see the real scenario. You can see below the table earlier there was no such content, but you can see it has pasted the content from what it has processed and it has given us the beautiful summary, which is category wise breakdown and the key insights, which is health and fitness has been spent on the following percentage. So this is how we have seen of actually connecting our applications with Claude using MCP tools, which is being run in the behind. So this is how we can see MCP removing us as a middle person and performing back and forth of data flow and making edits on your applications as per the request. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can receive similar videos to your feed, and share this video with your friend who can benefit with this video. Comment down how you like this video and also tell which concept you will learn in the next video. Thank you.